Hi, my name is Andy Driggs, and today I'd like to talk to you about moving from an E2 visa to an EB5 Immigrant Investor Visa. If this is your plan, then the way we approach the E2 visa has to be fundamentally different. In certain respects, we need to treat the E2 visa as an EB5. Here are some of the issues that are important. First, what is the source of the funds? We must be able to track the investment and the use of the investment funds. If you are making a direct investment for an EB5 visa in a targeted employment area so that the required investment is less, it is a good idea to keep documents that prove that the property was always in the TEA when an investment was made. Third, there is the issue of the direct employment of 10 employees when you're applying for the EB5. So if you are purchasing an E2 business that has 4 employees, then remember you must add 10 employees for a total of 14 employees when you're applying for the EB5 visa. Another issue is the business plan. The E2 visa and the EB5 visa both require a business plan, but there are specific requirements for the EB5 business plan that are set out in a decision called In Re Ho. These requirements don't apply to the E2 visa, but if you are intending to later apply for the EB5 visa, then it is a good idea to spend the extra money to get a business plan that complies with all of the requirements for the EB5. Finally, of course, you need to track the investment for the EB5 application. But retained earnings in the E2 company do not count as investments for the EB5. You can withdraw profit and salary, but be careful how you document the investments from day one. Make sure that you're not withdrawing capital to reinvest for the EB5. And this is random, but remember that investment for the EB5 must be in a company that started after 1990. Although this is usually not an issue, you should keep this in the back of your head when you're thinking about investing in that 100-year-old tavern in New England. If you want to come to the United States and apply for the Immigrant Investor Visa, but you don't want to wait for the processing times and for the immigrant visas to become available, think about investing in the E2 business first. And give me a call. We'll work out everything and we'll look at it and see if this is the right strategy for you.